Namaskar. My name is Manu Bharadwaj. I'm a Jyotish practitioner, teacher, and a researcher. I have been teaching Jyotish for the last 6 years, and I'm happy to announce the launch of my next level 1 batch called Jyotish Ratna in January. Knowing Jyotish is one thing, and teaching it is a different thing altogether. Professionally, I've been into learning and development for the last 20 years. I have designed, developed, facilitated many behavioral programs for senior leadership across industries. I have actually used all this experience in designing my Jyotish course while focusing on 5 core principles. Authenticity. All my course material actually come from classics of Jyotish. The course material has been contextualized to the modern day. There's a right spacing in the course so that learners do not feel overwhelmed. There's a lot of hands-on practice, lots of case studies, real-time examples that I have used so learners actually understand the art and science of prediction. And most importantly, you would actually become a part of a very passionate Jyotish community. Like any other course, there is no shortcut to Jyotish. Jyotish has to be learned in a very systematic and structured way. So if you are someone who's drawn to Jyotish and you want to learn it in a serious way, then this could be the right course for you. If you have any questions or if you want to reach out to us, you can contact us on the number given below. Thank you.